This is a day 1 in Tokyo. Yes. Done a successful grocery shop, and now we're eating. Yes, I am. So Sasha's gonna get a coffee. And we just ate a lovely meal.
It was so good.
And we went grocery shopping, and now we're just gonna go back, and then at night we're going to go to Akihabara. Get the rainbow one.
The rainbow one.
Because it looks so psychedelic.
How do I pay for it?
Oh, you put it in that thing there.
Okay,
Think.
this is 100. Okay.
Okay, put the money in there, I guess. And then you press the one you want. Oh.
So I've got 110,
And then press that, I guess. And then it comes out. Yay! How exciting.
It's hot. Oh my god! This is so cold.
We are now in Akihabara. So exciting for the nightlife. Yeah. A high-tech Japanese lift. Wow.